Hello everyone, my name is Dan and I have a super exciting video for you all today because in this one I will show you how I managed to profit $10,000 in one single trade on my live funded account using smart money concepts. So if that sounds interesting, let's get right into it. Alright, so this will be more of a trade breakdown type of video because I will go over the trade I took on NZD-CAD. It was a buy limit, and because of this trade, I managed to secure $10,000 in profits on my live funded account. And I will use the bar replay tool, okay? This is exactly when I opened the NZD-CAD chart on the 4-hour time frame, and I was like, okay, I do think I have a buy limit opportunity. And let me tell you why. So the first thing that I saw was a aggressive break of structure to the upside right here. Okay. When I say aggressive break of structure, I mean a break of structure that left imbalance behind. If we zoom in very closely, we can see that we have a very clear imbalance right here. Okay. And I saw this unmitigated demand level. Okay. We can see that its wick doesn't overlap with the low of the third candle. Okay, we have a huge imbalance, which showed me that price impulsively broke structure to the upside. So this was the first thing I saw. After that, I looked to the left to see if price swept any liquidity before this aggressive break of structure to the upside. And the answer to that is yes, it did sweep some liquidity right here. Okay, so this was another confluence that made me consider this setup. All right. So we have a aggressive break of structure. We have a unmitigated demand level. Okay. We have a liquidity sweep right before this aggressive break of structure. Now, I also wanted to look left to see if we have some liquidity pools. And in my opinion, we do. So we have some liquidity sitting above these two highs right here. Okay. And we could quickly mark it like this with the dollar sign if we want to. And again, we have some liquidity sitting right here as well, in my opinion, above these two highs. So I knew that we also have some liquidity sitting here. So price could, well, do this, boom, and then head to the upside. Okay. Overall, the higher time frame was pretty bearish. Okay, because if we zoom out, we can clearly see that the higher time frame was pretty bearish. But I said to myself, okay, after this bullish momentum, I do think that price will have a short bull run. Okay, by short bull run, it could pretty much just reject from our demand, go up here, and then from here it could continue going lower and respect the higher time frame uptrend. Okay, so after I determined these things, I then placed my fib level from this low to this high. Okay, and what I wanted to see now is I wanted to see how price will approach the 71 and the 79% on the fib level, because those are the areas where I would place a buy limit on. Okay, so let's continue using the bar replay. And also, if you guys want to see the SMC trades I am taking every single day, you should go ahead and join my SMC trading group. It is the first link down below. Feel free to check it out. All right. So back to what we were discussing about. Let's play the price. Okay. So now we can adjust the fib and we can see that the price action has been pretty corrective. It's not a straight move. It's not a straight pullback, because if we see a aggressive pullback like this, going straight to the downside, I won't really take the buy limit. I won't be keen to take the buy limit. I want to see a corrective pullback. All right. So let's continue. Okay, we are approaching our demand. So this is where I placed the buy limit orders. The first one right here, stop loss at the 0%, take profit at the 0%, sorry, and stop loss at the 100. And the second order was at the 79%, stop loss at the 100, and take profit at the 0%. Okay, in total, around a 6-hour profit. Okay. So let's play the price, and boom, this is exactly where both orders were triggered, and we were already running in profits. I was already running in profits here. And of course, along the way, I could have had targets, but I just decided to hold the trade till the 0%, which was the last take profit. And as we can see, it had a great reaction to our buy limits, and it smashed the take profit right there. Okay. And of course, I will attach a picture on the screen right now to see exactly that I actually took this trade on the account. And I will also attach a short screen record right now as well to see that it's on a live funded account. All right. And yeah, this was my thought process behind this beautiful trade on NZDCAT on the 4-hour time frame. Again, some key things to remember. I always look for a aggressive break of structure. That's my first thing on the list. If I don't see a aggressive break of structure, I'm not looking for any setups. And by aggressive, I mean a break of structure that left inefficiency or imbalance behind, as we have in this case right here. Okay. Second thing I'm looking for is a unmitigated supply or demand level. All right, that's the second thing I am looking for. Third thing is I want to see a liquidity sweep before the aggressive break of structure. Okay, and again, this is pretty much the SMC trading strategy that we've discussed so many times before. The strategy I use on a daily basis. Okay, those are the concepts on that strategy as well. Aggressive break of structure that leaves imbalance behind, a unmitigated demand level, and then, if possible, we also want to see a liquidity sweep, okay, before all of that. And lastly, I also like to see how price pulls back, to the entry, okay, to the buy limit. That's what I like to follow as well, because like I said, if I see a very aggressive pullback, I won't consider taking the buy limit. Okay, it is super simple. After that, we place the order, target accordingly, stop loss accordingly, and then we just leave it run. And of course, after that, it's really personal preference on how you want to manage the trade. You can either adjust break even, or you can just let it run to the target or to the stop loss. Like I said, it is really personal preference. Okay, and yeah, that being said, this was pretty much it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to let me know down below. Also, feel free to share and like it if you found it valuable, and let me know down below if you like videos like this one, because I'll definitely post some more in the future. Okay, until next time, a very cool ICT trading strategy video will pop on the screen right now. You should definitely go ahead and check it out, because I'm pretty sure that you will enjoy it. And that being said, I want to wish you all the best, and take care.